Did you ever think about how exotic reptile skins transform into high-end leather accessories? From the wild to the runway, this is the untold journey behind luxury craftsmanship. The transformation of reptile skin into luxurious leather accessories is a masterclass in craftsmanship and precision. From crocodiles, alligators, and snakes to your favorite luxury bags and wallets, this journey involves more than just raw materials. It's a process that blends nature's beauty with human ingenuity at every stage. With an eye for detail, skilled artisans craft these skins into exclusive, high-end accessories. But it doesn't stop there. In today's factories, the process is scaled up to meet global demand, ensuring every piece upholds the same standards of luxury and quality. Subscribe to Agriline Factory for more fascinating factory tours and behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday products are made. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in. Sourcing the reptile skins. Did you know luxury accessories start with ethically sourced reptile skins? Discover how high-end bags and belts begin their journey from the wild. The first step in creating luxury leather accessories is sourcing the reptile skins. This process begins with the careful selection of reptiles, commonly alligators, crocodiles, and snakes. These creatures are often farmed for this specific purpose in regulated environments. Sustainable farming practices are critical in ensuring that the reptiles are raised in a controlled manner, minimizing harm to wildlife populations. The skins are typically harvested after the reptiles reach a certain age, ensuring that the skins are large enough and have the texture desired for high-end leather production. Once the skins are collected, they are preserved immediately to prevent degradation, usually through a method known as salting, which helps keep the skin supple and intact until they reach the tannery. The skin preparation. Think cleaning reptile skins is simple? Think again. The secret behind perfect leather starts with these meticulous preparations. Once the reptile skins arrive at the factory, the first step is to clean and prepare them for the tanning process. This involves a thorough cleaning to remove any remaining flesh, fat, and other impurities from the skin. In some cases, the skin may also undergo a soaking procedure to make it more pliable, which is crucial for maintaining the natural texture of the reptile leather. Afterwards, the skins are placed in large vats, filled with a mixture of water and chemicals to neutralize the skin and prepare it for further treatment. This is an important stage in ensuring that the skin is free of bacteria, which could otherwise compromise the quality of the final product. Tanning. Want to know how reptile skin turns into rich, durable leather? Tanning and dyeing make all the difference in luxury accessories. Tanning is one of the most critical stages in the leather making process, as it transforms the reptile skin into a durable material that can withstand years of use. There are different types of tanning processes used, with vegetable tanning and chrome tanning being the most common for reptile leather. In this step, the skins are soaked in tannin-rich solutions, or chrome salts, which help preserve the leather and give it its characteristic firmness and flexibility. The choice of tanning method also affects the final color and texture of the leather. In some cases, after tanning, the leather is dyed to achieve rich, deep hues, enhancing the natural patterns and unique markings of the reptile skin. Drying and softening. How does reptile leather stay soft and flexible? The drying and softening process is the secret to making leather accessories last for years. After tanning and dyeing, the leather needs to undergo a drying process, which is critical in shaping the texture and ensuring the final product is supple yet durable. The leather is typically hung or laid flat to dry in a controlled environment. This drying process can take several days, depending on the thickness and type of reptile skin used. Once the leather has dried, it is then softened using specialized machines or by hand, a process that helps achieve the desired flexibility for fashion accessories. This stage ensures that the leather will not be too stiff and can be worked into various accessory designs like bags, wallets, belts, and even jackets. Cutting and shaping the leather. From raw skin to precision-crafted patterns, discover how luxury leather accessories are expertly cut to perfection. Once the leather has been properly dried and softened, the next step is to cut and shape it into the desired patterns for various accessories. Skilled artisans and designers play an essential role in this stage, as they must carefully select the right parts of the leather that showcase the most distinctive patterns of the reptile skin. For example, the belly portion of a crocodile skin, which features symmetrical scales, is often used for more high-end products. At this stage, the leather is cut into shapes that will eventually become components of luxury accessories, such as straps for handbags, the exterior for wallets, or the flaps and closures for belts. Precision is key, as the natural markings on the skin must be preserved and highlighted in the final product. Crafting the leather accessories. Want to see real craftsmanship in action? Watch how skilled artisans turn leather into exclusive accessories, piece by piece. With the pieces of leather cut to the right dimensions, the actual crafting of the accessories begins. This is where the true artistry of creating luxury leather products comes into play. Skilled leather workers meticulously stitch, assemble, and finish the products by hand. For instance, when crafting a leather handbag, artisans carefully sew together the panels of leather, ensuring the alignment is perfect and the stitching is clean and tight. Additionally, any metal hardware, such as zippers, buckles, or clasps, is added at this stage. The finishing touches, such as embossing the brand logo or applying protective coatings, are done by hand to maintain the elegance and high quality associated with luxury reptile leather accessories. This step is time-consuming, as each product requires careful attention to detail to ensure that the finished accessory is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Final inspection. Even the finest leather needs a final touch. Watch as every luxury accessory undergoes a rigorous quality check before it's ready for the market. The final step in the production process is a thorough inspection and quality control procedure. This is one of the most critical stages, as the luxury market demands flawless products. Each leather accessory is carefully examined for imperfections, including scratches, color inconsistencies, and stitching errors. Any products that do not meet the strict quality standards are either repaired or discarded. The final inspection is performed by a senior artisan or quality control expert who checks for uniformity in texture, pattern alignment, and durability. Once the accessory passes all tests, it is cleaned and polished to perfection. This ensures that the leather's natural luster and the reptile skin's unique patterns shine through, creating an accessory that is truly a work of art. The finished products are then ready for distribution to high-end boutiques, luxury retailers, or direct customers who appreciate the craftsmanship behind these exclusive accessories. The journey from reptile skin to luxury leather accessory showcases unmatched craftsmanship and timeless artistry. These pieces represent both tradition and innovation. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Agriline Factory, and stay tuned for more.